Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, with my blade sets. Yes, I'm using the workbench. So, I have got blades. Blades, 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 and more blades. These two, and I'm not telling you what they are going to be given away. So these are going to be part of the next few Free Tool Fridays. So one is a 2-inch and the other is a 2 3/8. That's all I'm going to say right now. But these are going to be given away. I've got permission from the people who sent them to me. But I have got more blades and blade sets than any one person needs. Most of which I have sharpened. Some are antiques. And the plan was, the reason why I have these is I was going to make planes to put them in. It's not going to happen. Not these. So, for instance, I can't tell you the brand, but this is a thick iron, tapered iron, chip breaker. I have this sharp and honed, not to perfection yet, but something like this should sell on eBay for like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. But I don't know how, I just don't know how to market it anymore. This is a Stanley blade set. It is not extremely old, but I would say it could be in the type 16 to 19. So if you need a blade set for an older Stanley that is almost complete, no wear on it. Then there's another antique tapered iron. I may or may not make a plane for this one because there's no chip breaker. I may or may not do this one. Only because it's a tapered iron. And then I've got 1, 2, 3 relatively new irons that are thicker than I would like for my planes. I'm contemplating taking these to the machine shop and seeing if they can grind them to 0.090 or 0.09375. That would get me to where I can use them in any of my planes. And then there's this one, which I won't get rid of. This was an inexpensive eBay find years ago. It was a replacement Stanley, probably for a handyman plane. And what I did was to make a cambered iron on it. Now what I need to do is I need to match the chip breaker to the camber. And that takes a little finesse. I think I can do it because when you have a scrub plane or a cambered iron like this, you don't get chip breaking action. So by matching the chip breaker to the camber, you get chip breaking action. So this one's not going anywhere. And then there's more blades in here. I got blades here, blades there, blades everywhere. Here's another fairly modern Stanley replacement blade set. If you need a blade set, contact me. I'm not looking to get rich. because my name's Walter. Let me know what you think. Hang on to all these blades or toss them. Well, you know what I mean. Move them out. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.